If you use Telegram every day, your chats can get cluttered really fast. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to create folders in Telegram so you can organize your conversations, separate work from personal chats, and make it much easier to find what you need. This is a simple feature, but once you start using it, it can completely change how you manage your messages. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. Once it's open, look to the top left corner and tap the hamburger icon, which is the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where all of Telegram's key settings are located. From there, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Folders and tap that option. This is the section where Telegram lets you build custom chat categories based on your own preferences. Now tap Create New Folder. Telegram will ask you to set up the folder details, so the first thing you need to do is enter a folder name. Choose a name that makes sense for what you want to organize, like Work, Friends, School, Projects, or Important. A clear name makes it easier to manage your chats later. After that, tap Add Chats. This is where you choose which conversations should appear inside the folder. You can add individual chats, groups, or channels, depending on how you want to organize everything. Select the chats you want included, and once you're happy with your selection, continue to the next step. Telegram also gives you the option to select folder colors, which is really useful if you want to visually separate different folders at a glance. Pick a color that stands out and makes the folder easy to identify. This small step can make a big difference if you have several folders and want to move between them quickly. Next, Telegram gives you the option to create an invite link. This is especially helpful if you want to share the folder with other people, such as teammates, classmates, or group members, so they can access the same set of chats. If you want to share it, enable the invite link option and review the details. Once everything looks good, tap Create. Telegram will save the folder and add it to your account right away. After that, you can go back to your chat list and switch between folders to keep everything neatly organized. And that's it. You've now learned how to create folders in Telegram in just a few simple steps. This is one of the best ways to keep your messaging app clean, efficient, and easy to use. If this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial.